Hello everyone, my name is Miss Kim and I'm from the Central Library of the Santa Rosa Libraries. Welcome to SCL Take and Makes for the Summer Reading Program. Every week during June and July, we had fun weekly take and make kits that you could take home. And this is our final week. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope you had fun. Well, this week is very exciting. You get to make your very own pencil pouch with puffy paint. It's been a very long time since I played with puffy paint. Now, I'm going to show you how, so come along and let's have fun. All right, everyone, so here we are going to make our super cool neon pencil cases. I have a very cool yellow pencil case here, and I have my 3 colors. I have orange, purple, and blue. Who knows what you'll get in your bag? What colors will you get? And here, it's just whatever you want to do, whatever you want to color, whatever you want to create. It's your pencil case. You can make flowers or stars or swirls. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my name first. Whoops, watch out, it goes a little bit fast. There we go. All right, so there's that side. Now the only thing is I'd like to decorate the other side. However, you really want to wait until it's completely dry, especially since this is puffy paint. It's gonna take a while for all the levels of it to dry, at least maybe 24 hours. So I'm going to leave this somewhere and let it dry for 24 hours, and then once that's done, I'll flip it over on the other side and color with my puffy paint on that side as well. Make sure when you're done with your beautiful pencil case that you take a picture of your finished pencil case and you share it with us on Facebook and Instagram, #SCL Makes.